Yo, what's good? I just made m4tthew preset and some ad libs. Let me show you two of the songs then. That'll be it though. By the way, this is m4tthew's favorite one. I did the ad libs. It was only two ad libs I heard in the song. So there you go.
I can't let her go. You my favorite one. I your favorite hoe. You my favorite one. Yeah, I let you know. Yeah, I let you know. Yeah, I let you know. And what they say, I don't give for what they say. And I break the bag out. And I break the bait. Bitch, I know these cash out. Put hundreds in my name. And you know I focus and we know you're the same.
I ain't mad. I'll do that. It's the second song. This is a random song with the preset. No ad libs. I don't think so.
Yeah. She want for a game. I told her, baby, I just hop up in my range. Now they can say so. Oh, he not fair. I even can't know. I need you bad though. I said, spend some money. I need you just with me. I just need your money. I just need your honey. I didn't spend the honey. I just need you right there. I didn't get some powder. I didn't went to the bank. I didn't get some money. Hey, that she me sing. I just need some bread from me, baby. You know what I sing.
Yeah, that's like the presets how it sound. If you want more presets, let me know. Probably gonna make another video. You never know. But enjoy the presets. Have a good day though. Oh, presets in the description, by the way. See ya.